Well, speaking of agile, Varun, here's the next question. There's so many different agile frameworks. Is there one that works better than the others?
Uh, I can say, like, I can't say one works better than the other, but definitely, those are based on a sort of work which we have. So if it's going to be a really, we don't have a clear set of requirements, or we don't have a clear timelines defined, then I would prefer Kanban rather than sprints. Scrum, where Scrum it's like more of a time boxed event. Where we do sprint planning and release planning, and Kanban is more of limiting the work in progress. So it depends upon your requirement, depends upon what timelines you have, what sort of complexity of the work we have. One more example I can give is like extreme programming, which is like more into engineering practices, and it focuses more on the coding side, and it takes changes even at the last minute. So that is something, if you're focused on more on engineering, coding, and delivering code at the earliest with a lot of changes, then you would choose extreme programming. So based on those decisions, we need to select the correct framework.
Yeah, that's a great answer. I mean, it just depends on the situation. Is it a project? Is it a portfolio? Is it a product team? Is it a Fortune 500? And those are all great frameworks. Completely agree. I love Kanban as well for when we really don't know, because then we can put something on and it pops off, and we can change our priorities on a dime without a lot of ramification. For teams at scale, my favorite is SAFe, scaled agile framework. But that's takes a right size and a place to do that framework, but it speaks to portfolio, program, and then teams. And you end up doing something similar to Scrum or Kanban at the team level, but it gives credence to executive team and board teams and kind of a middle, like a director layer of management as well.